And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be unboxing the Motorola Crush with US Cellular. Here's the left side of the box, the bottom. There's also a flap that's supposed to be right here, but it's gone on mine. Here's the right side of the phone, or the right side of the box with the phone on it. The top, you got the Motorola logo, and then on the back you have some features about the device and a picture of it. Opening it up, you have the phone right on the front. It says to charge it up. Make sure I'm fully charged before we start. You have your 3.5 millimeter headphones with the Motorola logo on them. Cushy ear tips, it looks like, but these are probably just so cheap. It's got an inline button at least. No volume controls. USB to micro USB data cable right there. You have the battery as well as a getting started guide in English and Spanish, it looks like. And all of this, you would either have another charger, it would be a Motorola to micro USB, like the little wall plug, or it would just have the yeah, it would have a complete charger for that. Alrighty, here's the device. The back cover, if I remember right, slides down. I thought it slid up, but it slides down. The battery. Power button is on the top. As you can see, the US Cellular splash screen, it does have a dead battery, of course. It's going to go back. It's going to lock the screen. On the left side, you have a 3.5, which I think this cover is broken if I remember right. A 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Volume rockers. That's one that's broken. The micro USB charging port. Nothing on the bottom. On the right side, you have your camera key, as you can see. Micro SD card slot for expandable memory. Pretty straightforward on that. You also, there's that stupid cover. You also have your voice command key. On the top, you have your speakers. On the rear, you have your camera. I think it's just a VGA camera. It doesn't really say though, but I think it's just a typical VGA camera in this time, as they were back on these older Motorola and I guess older handsets in general. On the front, you have your lock button and your power key. You can unlock it just by sliding. It is all touchscreen based. So you got your little, kind of like an S-Health thing in a way. You slid up if I remember right. You just push down, there's like your little menu. It's been a while since I messed with this phone. It looks like you got Pac-Man. Pretty cool stuff. Gonna shut it down. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.